So this SWAV, this shows so many, so many of the main patterns that we trade, the simple ones. But this thing came from 18, popped to 44, pulled back, consolidated in 30, and then got into the strong uptrending channel. And now really it is at the top of the channel. And as I was saying, I was a bit reluctant to trade it because, one, the volume wasn't very big, but two, I mean, it's come from 25, but maybe from 30 to 60, it's doubled. But it just continues, this thing just continues to trade higher and higher. But this is a good example of some of the different patterns that we like to trade here. So one pattern is the breakout. So that we can see the stock came up to the breakout, fake out breakout, in this case, pulled back, went through it again and pulled back again. So you got a couple of fake out breakouts there, which is difficult to trade. But this time here, on that one made it, this time here, when it came a more muted pullback and then right back up through it. So you might have been shooken out a couple of times, but this breakout here, this was a good entry level at 53,670 or so. And then it got into this channel, and we could see that it already had there was already a channel pattern, even at this breakout here, because you were able to draw the line here and here and extend it through. Now it just stays in this channel. And this is coming up to the longer term channel, so you would have, looked to maybe sell some up there. You could, that could actually be the channel like that, but this is going to be resistance here, double topping a bit. But, as this thing gets up, this is our channel trade. As it gets up near resistance or the top of the channel, you let little pieces go. You don't have to hold the whole thing for a ride, but if you're in the trade, you try and stay in it as long as you can to let your profits run. We don't look to trade for 10 cents or 25 cents. We're looking to trade for $1, $2, and in this case, $4.50. So 10%, and move on your money instead of 25 cents. Now, having said that, there's lots of rooms that's how they trade. They trade 10 cents or 25 cents, but they trade it 20 times. Try and get in and out as many times as they can in a trade like this. But ours is more. It's not so frenetic. We like to stay in a trade and just let it run and let it go as quick as far as we can. Now, having said that, if they do pull back, like we did this morning on the KTOS, I sold it some for 40 cents and a piece of my position, and because I was looking for it to run, but it didn't. It failed, and so the rest I got off at 25 cents. So we made a small win. So we have three types of trades: small win, small loss, big win. And this is a perfect example how we make the big win. Just stay in the trade, stay in the channel.